Hey everyone, thanks for checking us out again. Excelerate Leasing. Today we've got a 2014 International Prostar double bunk sleeper, manual 10-speed. Go ahead and do a walk around. While we're checking out the outside of this truck, please go ahead and subscribe to our page so you get all notifications. And if you could, please like and share with everyone you know as well. That'd be great. Got aluminum steers and also aluminum drives. There is an APU on this vehicle. Check us out online. We manage our inventory there daily. It is accurate. Every single day we're updating that website. You see the address there, exceleratetrucks.com. Also a link in the description. Check us out online. Hop inside. Again, manual 10-speed, double bunk sleeper. $587,948 on the odometer. Again, that's $587,948. Double bunk. Go ahead and roll the hood. Alright, again, this is a 2014 International Prostar, manual 10-speed transmission, double bunk sleeper. Check us out online at exceleratetrucks.com. Please subscribe to our page, like and share if you could, that'd be great. Thanks for watching, everyone.